In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Card using a container section. If you've ever wanted to expand your Card site beyond a single scrolling page, this workflow will help you set up clean, separate pages that are easy to manage and navigate later. Start by opening your site in the Card editor and making sure you're on the page you want to edit. This ensures any new section you create lands exactly where you intend to build. Take a second to look at the current layout so you know where your new page should live within your site structure. On the left toolbar, click the plus button to add an element. From the list, choose Container. Think of a container as a blank frame that can hold anything: text, images, buttons, forms, you name it. We're going to turn this container into a full-fledged page section in just a moment. Once the container is on the canvas, click its gear icon to open settings. Scroll down until you see the type options. By default, a container behaves like a simple grouping element. Change the type to section and then select page. With that change, you've essentially promoted this container to its own page within your Card site. This is what enables the editor to treat it as a distinct area you can jump to and manage separately. Next, give your new page a clear descriptive name, something like About, Services, or Contact. This label is what you'll use to identify the page in the editor and link to it later from menus or buttons. Keep the name concise and consistent with the rest of your site so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Now add your content inside the new page just like you would in any normal section. Drag in text for headings and body copy, drop in images or icons, and place buttons or forms as needed. Aim for a layout that matches your site's existing style to keep everything cohesive. Small details like consistent spacing and font choices go a long way in making the new page feel integrated with the rest of your site. When you're ready to move between pages while editing, use the page drop-down at the top of the editor. This lets you jump directly to any page section you've created, making it easy to compare layouts, copy styles, and keep your design consistent across the entire site. That's it. You've created a structured page inside Card using a container turned into a section set to page, named it for easy linking, added your content, and learned how to switch between pages as you build.